means, see, I will tell you the meanings
And
of the
his voice.
I will tell you the meanings of some words. You will write the meanings in your book with pencil, or you can write in rough book, because there are you can say 8 to 10 difficult words in this comprehension. And in exercises, then I will not help you. In exercises, you will tell me the answer. So when I am explaining, write the meanings of the difficult words in your textbook or in your rough book, please. So traffic snarls means traffic chaos. You know what is chaos? Mismanagement, hodgepodge. That is snarls means chaos. Okay.
Yeah.
We know present day
Hmm.
scenario, when you go outside, there is really uncontrollable traffic. The vehicles are moving
Yes, sir.
recklessly, and the drivers, they drive breaking the road rules. And many a times we say accidents taking place,
Yes, sir.
and the loss of the life. All that things has increased. So that is the comprehension based on traffic snarls.
Hmm.
Now, uh, see, each and every student I will give the turn, but one paragraph each, so I will know how many are actually attending the lecture and how many are just have just joined. So first paragraph, who will read?
Sir, I.
Yes, read the first one then.
Traffic sound. Traffic,
Snarls.
traffic snarls. Traffic snarls have become a common phenomena,
Phenomenon.
phenomenon, especially in the morning when people come out frantically in their vehicles to reach their workplace. Cars honking loudly, cycle and scooter waving in out carelessly, and three-wheel overspeeding are all everyday sights.
Okay. So what is happening now every day? See, traffic snarls have become common phenomenon. Do write the meaning, sir. I hope all of you are writing. Phenomenon means event. So traffic snarls means traffic chaos has become common phenomenon, common event every day we see, especially in the mornings when people come out frantically. Morning, what
Sir,
happens? What
meaning of phenomenon
event? Event or happening?
happening daily.
Yes, happening. You just read happening. It is common means happening daily, that we understand. So when people come out frantically, especially in the morning, everyone is very in very haste, in a haste that they have to reach their work place. So they come out frantically. Frantically means madly. They come out frantically in their vehicles, reach their workplace. They have to reach their job place. So they come out very madly with their vehicles. Cars honking loudly. You know what is honking? That blowing of horn. Cars are honking loudly. Cycles are there, and the students are going, and scooters are there, weaving in and out. Weaving means zigzag. Scooters are also sometimes moving in a zigzag way, not the straight way. You might have seen that. Actually, it should go straight, but sometimes they
Sir,
go this
viewing
side.
means zigzag.
Zigzag, yes. So scooters, cycles, all these vehicles, where do they go? They go zigzag way, in and out, carelessly. And three wheelers are there. You know, three wheelers, you can
Auto
say
rickshaw.
that auto rickshaw. Mostly we know auto rickshaw only. So three wheelers, they are over speeding, means they cross the limit of the speed which is given. So they overspeed, and these are all everyday sights. Sights means which you can see. So every day we see all these things, right? Especially in the mornings.
Morning. Sir,
So,
meaning of frantically.
madly.
मतलब
Madly, that also.
નથી ખબર
Carelessly.
સર. અચ્છા
Mad,
carelessly.
mad,
અચ્છા ઓકે ઓકે.
mad તો ખબર હોય ને. How are the vehicles moving on the road? Sometimes you see frantically they are moving.
સમજાઈ સમજાઈ.
Second paragraph we will read. Mohammad Ali, will you?
Yes, sir.
हेलो उठी जाओ सेकंड पैराग्राफ.
हाँ सर. એટલે nobody વાળો ને.
Yes.
Nobody has the patience to commute slowly, follow road rules, and respect their fellow travelers. Such is their haste, their will discuss space, basic ethics is forgotten, and reaching their destination is their only goal.
Yes. So
If we
you all have to learn from this paragraph. Those who are driving the vehicles. See, nobody has the patience. Patience, you know, what is patience? That you have to wait. Dheeraj, you have
yeah,
you have to have patience. You should not go at great speed. Nobody has patience to commute slowly. Commute means drive. Drive slowly. Everyone wants to reach fast. Everyone wants to reach the place on time. So they drive fast. So nobody has the patience to drive slowly. Follow the rules. Road rules means the traffic rules we have to follow. Nobody does that. And respect their fellow travelers. Fellow travelers means what? The vehicles which are moving with you side by side. The vehicles which are moving with you on the road. They are called your fellow travelers. So we should respect them. But we are not doing it. Such is their haste. Means such is their speed. Their world is fast paced. Means their world is really very fast. They are moving at great speed. So their world is also very fast. Basic ethics is forgotten. So people have forgotten something. What have they forgotten? Basic ethics. Ethics means decency. You know what is it? Ethics, honesty or decency. You should be in a decent way while driving on the road. So basic decency or ethics is forgotten by the people, and reaching the destination is the only goal. So people only have one thing in their mind when they just start from their home, and they have only one thing on their mind, that I have to reach by this time, I have to reach by this time, and they don't follow any rules. They have forgotten the ethics. They don't have patience to drive slowly, and they don't respect their fellow travelers. This is their world. Got it?
yes, sir.
Okay, words which I'm underlining, see that you write the meanings. Yes. Third paragraph.
Can I read?
Yes, I know you were waiting for the third one. I know why.
If we start at least an hour in advance, then we can reach our destination peacefully and patiently. Otherwise, it is a mad rush resulting in loss of life, damage to vehicles, and commuters getting maimed. Amidst this hustle and bustle, trucks ride straight in, bulldozing their way through the traffic. They follow a separate set of rules because they are superior in size and thus become a unique mode of transport that looks down upon others. Their journey is of prime importance to them, so caution is thrown to the winds, filling many with frenzy of fun as they speed fast. What spills on the road? Streams of water, dunes of sand, mounds of garbage, and everything under the sun. They can run amok, turning the world upside down and still get away without being pulled up.
Okay. So here, see, uh, here advice is given first of all. If we start at least an hour in advance, then we can reach our destination peacefully and patiently. Means wherever you want to go. Suppose you want to reach there at 8 o'clock, you should be ready by 7 o'clock, and you should start your journey at that time. So what will happen? Our journey will be very peaceful. We will be very much relaxed. We don't have to hurry up. So we should always be 1 hour in advance. At least not 1 hour. Okay, we can say that 1 hour is too long time, but at least half an hour I can suggest you. Half an hour you can be advance, right? If you want to reach somewhere at 8 o'clock, you should not start at 7:45. You should start at 7:30 instead, depending on the kilometers how much you want to go. So half an hour early you should start. Otherwise, it is a mad rush. Means madly people are moving on the road, resulting in the loss of life. Accidents, sometimes very bad accidents that take place, and people die on the spot. And damage is done to vehicles, and commuters getting maimed. Now, two things we lose. Vehicles are also damaged badly. Okay, that is not the first thing. But commuters means the travelers getting maimed. Now, maimed means what? Means injured. Vehicles are injured. That is secondary, but we are also injured sometimes. Commuters means the travelers also get maimed. They also get injured. Vehicles
Sir,
are also
maimed means
injured.
injured na.
Yes. Amidst this hustle and bustle means between all this hustle and bustle. Now, hustle and bustle, it is not hustle, T is silent. So you will say that it is hustle and bustle. Means what? Hustle and bustle means to push or hurry up. To push or hurry up. What happens? You might have seen the trucks. How the truck drivers they drive. Like there is no other vehicle on the road. ऐसे drive करते हैं वो कभी कभी. You might have seen because it is a very
Yes,
giant
sir.
body. So sometimes we see that they are mad or what? Truck they ride Trucks ride straight in, bulldozing their way through the traffic. Bulldozing. बुलडोजर देखा है ना कितना बड़ा होता है. So here bulldozing means what? Bulldozing their way means clearing their way. The vehicles which are there in front of the truck, the two wheelers or cars or rickshaw, they have to go aside when the truck is coming from the back side, right? They clear their way.
Sir, bulldozing means?
Clear the way. Clear.
Okay, sir.
Yes, you might have also seen that sometimes when you are driving or someone else is driving, that small vehicles have to go aside because the truck is coming from the back side.
હા સર કારમાં જવું પડે.
Yes. So why? Because truck drivers think that they have a giant vehicle, they have a huge body. So bulldozing their way through the traffic, they follow a separate set of rules because they are superior in size. So for truck drivers think that we don't have to follow any rules. We have our own rules because they are superior in size. Means they are bigger in the size than other vehicles. So they don't follow any rules. Thus, they become a unique mode of transport. So truck is unique means it is a different mode of transport than other transportation that looks down upon others. Looks down means that treats other vehicles that other vehicles are inferior to them. मतलब उनसे नीचे के लेवल के vehicles. So look down means they think that other vehicles are not as big as our vehicle. Their journey is of prime importance to them. Prime means most important. Truck drivers think that their journey is
લુક
most
ડાઉન
important.
મતલબ?
Means to treat someone in inferior way. कि हमसे कोई नहीं हम नीचा दिखाते हैं किसी को like that inferior.
ટુ ટ્રીટ?
To treat in an inferior way. Got it?
યસ સર.
So their journey is of prime importance. Means they think that our journey is the most important journey. But they don't value other vehicles. So caution is thrown
ઓકે.
to the winds, filling many with frenzy and fun. Caution means the care which you have to take, or here you can say awareness that is thrown away. They don't take care and they fill many with frenzy and fun. Frenzy. Frenzy means great or excitement or wild behavior, you can say. Their behavior is really very wild. As they speed past, what spills on the road? So as the trucks are moving, you see sometimes something comes out from the truck from the back side. Some things are thrown out. What what comes out
ના સર
sometimes?
પાણી પડે ખાલી.
Yes, see streams of water we see sometimes, dunes of sand, dhood.
હા સર.
That is a hill of sand near the ocean, or you can say in a desert. Sometimes the by the wind that sand dunes are formed. Sand dunes. So sometimes we see dunes of sand coming out of truck or mounds of garbage, kachro,
સર
large.
meaning of frenzy?
Frenzy means wild behavior. Mounds of garbage means large quantity of garbage is thrown out sometimes from the truck while they are moving. Everything under the sun. Under the sun means everything we see in this, everything we see in the world. or we are all under the sun only. So all these things we see, they can run amok. This is amok. So trucks, they can run amok. Amok means uncontrolled manner. Uncontrolled. They can run in uncontrolled manner, turning the world upside down, still get away without being pulled up. So they can move in any way they want. They can run amok. They can run wildly, and no one can stop them. That is what they think. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Then we will read.
Sir, can I?
Let me see if others are ready or not. I will come to know. Who else is there ready for reading? Those who have not read till now today.
Sir, can I?
Yes.
સર આ તમારો ફેવરેટ છોકરો.
Read.
When Earth is the sixth, can you imagine the plight of pedestrians? Do they exist at all? Many of them are catched in this maze,
Pedestrians
not,
લગાજી.
but not knowing what to do to how you cross roads. They too in what is it?
Indulge.
Indulge in jaywalking, ignoring the rules for they are helps, and they have to be in transit. This is the picture of our city traffic. Who can bring order into this choice? Here
Chaos.
chaos.
Heavens. Heaven.
Heavens knows.
Okay. So when such is the scene, so we when we see this kind of scene every day on the roads, can you imagine the plight of pedestrians? First of all, what is plight? Plight means trouble or difficult situation. That is called plight. Pedestrians means people who are walking on the road on foot. They are walking. They are pedestrians. So when this kind of traffic is there, can you imagine the difficult situation of the people who are walking on the road? How will they walk?
સર મને એના meaning પાછું બોલો ને સર.
Which
Right and pedestrian.
plight is trouble. Pedestrians means people walking on the road. So in this kind of traffic, can you imagine what will be the situation of the pedestrians, those who are walking on the road? What will, how will they walk? Do they
By
exist at all?
foot.
But do they exist at all? Means these large vehicles like trucks, buses, do they even see them? Sometimes they don't even see them and they just drive recklessly. So do they exist at all? मतलब वो है इन लोग के लिए या नहीं like that? Many of them are caught in this maze. Many of them means pedestrians, those who are walking on the road. They are caught in the maze. Means in a, you can say, in a complex situation, in a difficult situation, they are caught. They are confused, not knowing what to do or how to cross the roads. Sometimes when you might have felt this. You want to cross the road from one side to another side, but you are waiting and waiting, but the traffic is not ending at all.
Yes,
You
sir.
might have you might have felt this sometimes, that you
હા
want
સર
to
થાય
cross the
છે.
road. Yes, but you see that vehicles are constantly coming from one side to other. So how will you cross? You wait for 1 minute, 2 minutes, but vehicles are not ending. Especially on the highways, we see that. So people, they don't know, pedestrians, what to do and how to cross the road. Sometimes they too indulge in jaywalking. Now pedestrians, what do? They do this jaywalking. Jaywalking means what? To cross, to walk across a street at a place where it is not allowed. Means uh, you walk on the place
પાછું
where
બોલો
you
ને.
are without, see, without taking care. You walk, that is called jaywalking.
So, taking care. Okay.
So jaywalking means pedestrians, they don't have any other way. उनके पास कोई रास्ता नहीं है. because vehicles are constantly coming from one side, so they have to do jaywalking. They have to walk where it is not allowed, ignoring the rules. They also ignore the rules because there is no other place where they can walk. And for their help, for they are helpless. They don't have any other option, and they have to be in the transit. Transit means moving on the way. They have to keep moving. They cannot wait. They also have to reach somewhere. So they have to keep moving. And they do this jaywalking. Without care, they move on the road. This is the picture of our city traffic. So today, when you go outside, this kind of picture we see every day in our city, in all the cities, right?
Yes, sir.
Who can bring order into this chaos? Can traffic police bring order into this chaos? Are they doing it? Who can bring order into this chaos? Who can solve this issue? Who can solve it? Can you solve it?
No,
Can
government can solve it.
but is government doing it?
No.
No. Heaven knows. Heaven knows means no one knows. Only God knows who can solve this issue of traffic
Yes,
snarls.
sir.
But at least we can take care of ourselves. When we take care of ourselves, then everyone will take care of themselves. We should drive vehicle at a slow speed. We should not break the rules. We should take care of the pedestrians walking on the road. And we should maintain distance with other vehicles. We should not try to overtake. We should start at least half an hour early. All that things we can take care. And we should not drive the vehicles unless the person who has a license is sitting with us on the vehicle. We should not drive. At least you should not do it at all. At least before you pass 10th standard, you should not even drive the mopeds. When it is urgent, then it is okay. But otherwise, you should go on foot. So, do you
So we
anyone
can use
who
cycle.
yes, cycle is okay. No problem with cycle, not at all. But
Okay, sir.
the vehicles like mopeds, this scooty, or Activa,
Hmm.
any moped, or even the vehicles with gear, bikes, all that should be avoided by you. At least before you complete 10 standard, you should not touch the mopeds also. And after you complete 12 standard, then you can touch the bikes and all that gear vehicles. And that also even when you get license. When you get driving license, still you are not allowed. You know that when you have driving license, someone who has the license has to be there with you. So that is the importance of this because this traffic snarls has increased because the students of your age they are driving the vehicles and the accidents take place. So you should not,
Yes, sir.
you should avoid it, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We should avoid.
What should be done according to you all to control these traffic snarls? Except for government, what can we do?
We should not drive vehicles till the age of 18.
Okay, then
If someone is driving, we have to tell him that do not drive till 18.
okay, but even after 18 years, crossing 18 years, do you think that all of them are decent? Do they follow ethics?
और कोई follow no करे.
Yes, so how will you teach them?
पर नियम
Num-
जाओ.
In foreign countries, many of you have visited foreign countries, how decently they drive.
yes, sir, yes.
So why? What is the difference? Why are the traffic rules different over there?
No,
Then why the decency is there over there?
sir,
And
because they move 15 to 20 minutes more. If they
early.
have to reach 8 o'clock, so the traveling is of 30 minutes, so they uh, go from 7:15 or 7:20, so they can reach easily.
Okay. And what about the traffic rules? Any speeding rules are there over there?
Yes, sir. If you will speed over this, you will have to give fine to the government.
Exactly. That was what I was asking. In countries like Australia, America, it is auto auto check, means that sensors are kept. That is the, you can say, that is the distance, kilometer are kept over there. That this is the particular area. If you cross the speed limit of 40, automatically from the bank the fine will be deducted automatically. You are driving the vehicle, in the front of your vehicle there is a barcode sticker or something like that which is directly linked with your bank account. So if you cross the speed limit of 40 or 60, where the board is kept over there, if you cross that limit, auto debit is done from your account. You have to pay the fine. And sometimes, the police also comes after us just for taking the fine. In that kind of countries it is there.
Yes, sir.
Even now we have for toll tax, we have got that barcode which is stuck on the front of on the front mirror of the cars.
Yes,
Now
sir.
we also have that. Government has implemented that.
Yes.
Okay, so here you have to match the columns. Look carefully and then you tell me the
lecture
answers.
પૂરો થવા આવ્યો.
I know that, but still we have a lot of time. Tell me the answers.
One, one, two.
Muhammad Abbas.
હું મને બાજુ
Yes, number one.
in the mornings 3.
Okay.
બરાબર ને સર?
Yes.
Or speed.
No, they bulldoze means they clear their way very
Yes,
easily.
sir.
Very easily.
Very
Yes, sir.
easily. Yes.
Pedestrians.
Way their way only. Number 1.
No, weave their way. Weave is zigzag, going
Overspeed.
zigzag.
Zigzag.
Over.
Pedestrians are the people who walk on the
Are
road.
lost in mad traffic.
Yes, they are
Okay.
lost.
3
Three.
wheels.
Overspeed. 3.
Yes.
Overspeed and cycles and scooters
Weave
weave
the
their way
way
through.
through.
પુષ્પા બોલવા દે.
એ મારે બોલવું હોય તો બોલવી દો. તું કામ કર.
વચ્ચે ન બોલને પણ એમ કહું ખાલી.
Russian.
Okay, you take screenshot then.
ના સર લખાઈ ગયો હવે હું સ્ક્રીનશોટ.
Those who are not written, they can take, no?
હા એ બરાબર.
લેક્ચરમાં કેટલા બધા જણા છો? 7-8 જણા છે.
Good.
Thank you.
તારી જેમ નો નોંધેલી.
Okay, so I told you that
એ સર કે ક્વેશ્ચન
understand.
3 આવી ગયું? તું નથી કરવાનું?
Yeah, afterwards. Today we are solving objectives.
ઓકે હાલો વાંધો નહીં.
So I told you that keep the meanings in mind because it will be there. So here you have to give meanings or you can give synonyms. Hectically. Sometimes we say
પ્રેક્ટિકલી
that
તો મને લખાયું.
we have a very hectic schedule that we are not free. ऐसा बोलता है सब.
હા I am so busy in my schedule.
બહુ બીજી તું તો.
તો આ બહુ બીજી અમે તો.
Here the people drive hectically means
Widely
wildly
and
or crazily. Anyone. Then
જે
sights.
હકીકતી બોલ.
Sights means
Sight. Sight means
you have got the sight means you have the power of seeing. You can see.
power of seeing.
sing.
તો
Seeing, you can see. Haste means what?
is
There was a sentence that such is their haste.
હરલી હરી
Hurry, Gazi.
અરે ખબર છે પણ બોલવાનો યાર.
Amok, uncontrolled manner.
Yes.
એમએફ માંથી કાપી.
એમ નથી મિનિંગ્સ લખાય એમાંથી છે. Maimed, injured.
Yes, correct. That's why only I told you to write.
મમ્મા તો બુક લાગે સર.
No, when I was explaining, no, at that time he was writing, no, so that's what I told you.
ભાઈ ભાઈ બુક પડી હો દોડ પડી છે ઉભા રહે ઉભા રહે.
Maimed,
આ તો કાઢને ભાઈ.
injured. You can also write wounded, injured, wounded. Both are correct. Now, adjective. You know how will you make adjective form? You when you are asked adjective form, you have to write dash person, dash person. That way you have to think. So heaven is given. So dash person. You cannot say heaven person. What will you add? So it will become adjective dash person. Which kind of person related to heaven you have to give that word?
હેલો સર સર
Yes.
લેસન નંબર ધીસ.
This is
કોપી કરાવશો હવે.
comprehension number two.
કોમ્પ્રેશન નંબર ઓકે સર.
સર આજે
Heaven.
કોપી કરીશું સર એટલે પૂછ્યું.
But yes, you tell me heaven. So what will be adjective of heaven?
Heaven. Good.
Adjective form. Synonym नहीं.
સર નથી આવડતું.
Okay, see, I will give you an adjective
આપ
example.
આપ
See, if it is a word like you can say, where is the word? Let me find from a paragraph so I can give you an example.
ઓકે.
See, if there is a word madly, right? So if I want to make adjective, how will I make dash person? So for madly, what word will you write? Mad person, right?
યસ.
Before person. See, there is a word carelessly. So you cannot say carelessly person. So before person, what will you write?
કેર.
Careless. Like that, you have to make adjective.
અચ્છા ઓકે સર. Unhand person.
What? Anyone which you know? Can you tell me? Anyone from this four?
નહીં
What?
સર મને કે નથી આવડતા.
Just before person, you have to
Ocean
put dash.
danger.
You are telling me synonyms, I think.
જે આવડે છે બોલું છું.
Heavenly person.
તો ખાલી
And
હેવન લખી હાલે કે આ પર્સન લખવાનું.
no,
Heaven.
that is just heavenly only you have to write, but that is just for your understanding.
Oh.
Ethics. So which kind of person it will be?
Ethical.
Ethical person. Yes, ethical person. Chaos. So
ગોખી
you cannot
નાખી.
say chaos person. You cannot say. Which kind of person?
Costly.
કેસલી.
Not chaosly.
કેસ લેલા.
See,
No,
CHAO. Till O
Yes,
it will be same. Till O it will be same.
TAL આવી જાય એસ ની બદલે.
no, no, no.
Chaotic. Chaotic person.
આવો સાંભળ્યું.
Caution.
આંબા
So dash person. Caution. So
Danger.
dash. That is synonym.
ના એમ તો બોલ્યા.
Okay. See, you said danger was there.
Personal.
Suppose danger is there. So you can write dangerous person.
હા.
So if caution is there, so which kind of person?
Cautious person.
Cautious.
Yes. જલ્દી એમ આવડી જાય.
લે.
આવડવું જોઈએ.
So
Yeah.
what did we do over here? We formed adjectives. These are all
Yes,
adjectives
Yes,
that we
we
just
found
wrote.
adjectives.
Did you take screenshot of this?
ચાલ લખી
Yes,
નાખ્યું.
sir, મેં લખી નાખ્યું.
Okay, very good.
આ ટેક્સ્ટ બુક માં
Now,
પહેલાનું લખેલું.
singular form. Plural is given.
મેં
You have
ઉપર
to make
લખ્યું.
singular.
ઓકે સર.
Plural भी है singular. Phenomena.
ફેનોમેના.
What will you write? Tell me fast.
સર ફેનોમેનોન.
Spelling.
PHENOMENON.
Who
Wrong
is
છે.
this?
મોહમ્મદ.
ગાજી છે હવે. ખોટું બોલને લાગ્યું ને ખોટું છે એટલે પોપટ
Who
બોલ.
is doing this?
સર મોહમ્મદ બોલ્યો સર.
એ તું બોલ્યો હો.
રેકોર્ડિંગ સંભળાવું?
તું બોલ્યો છે બોલમાં.
નહીં, વિડીયો મૂકે તારે શનિ સર મોકલી દઈશ વોટ્સઅપમાં. હો
Then સર રોંગ છે. એન
1
પછી ઓ
minute.
આવે.
Yes. I'm trying to
હા.
edit it, but it is not doing so.
હાલે લા.
કોમ્પ્યુટર લાગે છે કે ફોન છે સર?
Sites.
સાઇટ SIGHE.
સાઈડ. ઓકે.
સ્ટ્રીમ્સ STREAM. સ્ટ્રીમ આવે. સ્ટ્રીમ્સ નું
સ્ટ્રીમ
system એમ.
સ્ટ્રીમ. આટલા ક્વેશ્ચન માં તો તમે સ્ટ્રીમ છે.
બરાબર સાંભળ ગાજી હું બોલ્યો બરાબર સાંભળો.
બહુ દોઢો.
નંબર D.
Antonyms means
Ow.
opposite.
રિસ્પેક્ટ.
Opposite. Antonyms.
Irrespect.
What?
Irrespect.
No. This is common word. You should know. You should.
રિસ્પેક્ટ.
You should dash. You should never dash your teachers.
સર પહેલી વાર ખોટી વાત કરી.
શું છે? દેખાતું
સર નીચે તરફ દેખાતું નથી.
disrespect. Irrespect, disrespect શું ફરક યાર તમે તે?
There is no such word like irrespect. So I said no.
આમાં તો સર કેવું કર એ આન્સર આવે.
Chaos. Chaos means mismanagement or disorder.
Mismanagement or misorder. Order
Yeah, I will have to-
and management. બસ પૂરું.
Okay, just write in order. Then patiently. Opposite of patiently.
Patiently.
પેશન્ટ. નો 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 નો. લે.
Tell me fast.
હું એ સર લખવા વિચારવા તો દો સર. Impatient.
પેશન્ટલી.
Impatient. આમ આવી
ઇમ્પેશન્ટલી.
હું
ઇમ્પેશન્ટલી.
બોલ્યો તો. અરે ભાઈ
Take
હું
a
બોલી ગયો.
screenshot. Take screenshot fast.
સર લખાઈ ગયું.
Taken.
હા સર
Yeah.
સર ઈ
So
કરવાનું.
I will no, not now. I will send the PDF. Rest of the exercises you have to try and find the answer. Okay.
ઓહો.
That we will
એનાગ્રામ
discuss.
નો મતલબ
વોટ્સઅપમાં મોકલી દો
Anagram
ફોટા.
means you can make new words from that words.
ઓકે સર.
Okay. Bye everyone.
બાય સર.
And best of luck.
હા
કેની હાટુ?
થેન્ક યુ સર. મેથ્સ નો પેપર છે એટલે કે સર એટલે મદદ પડતી.
મેથ્સ નો છે મમ્મા. સરાફ
Okay.
સર